this video, I will teach you how to write bade. Bade means big. We use the word bade in like bade bhaiya here. Sorry, I am writing this roughly. Bade bhaiya, okay, and bade बड़े भाईजान. बड़े भाईजान. Sorry, I wrote it here roughly, so do not follow it. Okay. B R B R B R bird. A bird. Bird. A bade means big.